This is the IMU Drift Rate Estimator calculator, which helps you predict how sensor errors accumulate over time in your inertial measurement unit. The calculator has 3 input fields to configure. First is Gyroscope Bias Drift, measured in degrees per hour. This represents the systematic error in your gyro's angular rate measurement. Second is time period in hours. This is how long your system will operate. Third is accelerometer noise density in milligrams per square root hertz. This characterizes the random noise in your accelerometer measurements. Let's work through an example. If we enter a gyroscope bias drift of 1.0 degrees per hour, a time period of 1.0 hour, and an accelerometer noise density of 0.1 milligrams per square root hertz, then click Calculate IMU Drift. The results section will show your estimated drift parameters. These outputs help you understand the expected position and orientation errors that will develop in your IMU system over the specified time period, allowing you to determine if your sensors meet your accuracy requirements. This tool is essential for navigation system design and sensor selection. Find the link in the description below.